This is Orbital Scheduler, the Kubernetes layer for AI inference in orbit. The cost of putting compute in low Earth orbit is collapsing. Starcloud raised $170 million in 2026 to fly H100s and Blackwell-class accelerators. What isn't going up yet is the software that turns that hardware into a paying service. The orbital operator promises an SLA has to decide every second which satellite runs which job at what load against constraints from thermal capacity, solar input, battery state, ground visibility, and chip health. No operator wants to build that from scratch. That's where OrbitalSched comes. Observe the screen with the different states, which satellites are in orbit, which ones are eclipsed, and their temperature. Stage 1 simulates a 10-satellite constellation in 2 orbital planes. Each satellite carries a kilowatt-class accelerator, a 5-node thermal model, solar arrays, batteries, and a job queue. 10 ground stations matched to the real commercial network handle downlink. The workload generator produces 3 customer profiles: Earth observation, defense ISR, and foundation model inference at 10,000 jobs per 24-hour episode. We trained a PPO reinforced learning agent on this environment using H100 on Lightning AI, 16 parallel environments, 2,800 frames per second, 10 million time steps in 64 minutes on wall clock training. The reward: completed jobs, penalties, missed deadlines, 5-1, and added small thermal and energy penalties. The training policy hit 99.9% SLA compliance on a held-out episode. Out of 10,494 jobs in the 24-hour simulated test, it completed 10,488 and only missed 6. The energy usage was 2,500 watt-hours against 19,000 for a constant load baseline. 7 times less energy, 70 times better reward. The policy runs on a fast API server on modal with checkpoints baked into the container. The dashboard you are looking at is a Next.JS app on Vercel streaming live telemetry over WebSocket at 2 kHz. The satellite temperature cards show chip temperature, radio temperature, battery, load, queue, and sun and eclipse status. The scheduler panel shows simulated times, pending jobs, completed jobs, missed jobs, and step rewards.